I believe that there is absolutely no reason why Nigerian Railway Corporation should not be functional to the maximum capacity. Having noticed that, yes, and now is the right time with insecurity and deficit of infrastructure with regards to roads. Having noticed that a lot of our farmers are having difficulties moving their produce and to make them produce more, I'm here to assure you that we are ready to partner fully with Nigerian Railway Corporation to see that we have a unique service between Kaduna and Minna, so that it will encourage a lot of people to use railway. Unique in the sense that we are ready to partner with you towards refurbishment of some of the coaches and wagons to give it a different look, so that people will experience the new Nigerian Railway operations. And to do that, of course, you have spent some money to make the comfort level a bit higher than what it used to be, providing custom-made service for passengers. I can assure you, with recent happenings, not only in Nigeria, but virtually in most of the northwestern states, the activity of the Nigerian Railway Corporation will increase.